This is where we begin, the world as we know it. The year is 2024. Our planet Earth is bursting with life and activity. We're on the edge of amazing discoveries and new technologies. But what about the distant future? What's waiting for us out there? Let's travel through time, going faster and faster as we go. We'll see incredible cosmic events that will happen to our universe over billions of years. Imagine a time machine that doesn't travel in a straight line. This machine jumps us forward not by years or centuries, but by huge leaps. We'll watch the universe change right before our eyes, from the present to the unbelievably distant future. Hold on tight, because we're about to go on a thrilling ride through time and space. Our destination is the end of the universe as we know it. Get ready to be amazed, to feel small, and to see our place in the universe in a whole new way. This is where we start, the year 2024. But this is just the beginning of our incredible journey. Let's look at Earth's distant future, a time when we have to say goodbye to our home planet. We fast forward millions of years. Continents move, oceans rise and fall. Earth, our home, goes through big changes. Volcanoes erupt, changing the land. Ice ages come and go, carving the planet's surface. Life finds a way to survive. It changes and keeps going. But even with all these changes, a bigger danger is coming. The sun, which gives us life, is slowly getting hotter. As it uses up its fuel, it grows bigger, turning into a red giant star. Earth's comfortable climate becomes unbearably hot. Oceans disappear. Life as we know it can't survive for much longer. This is what will happen to our planet, a reminder that even familiar things don't last forever. But as Earth's story ends, the universe keeps going. Our trip through time has just started. Let's watch what happens when a star like our sun dies. Billions of years from now, the sun's transformation is complete. It grows so large that it swallows the closest planets, including Earth. This powerful star, once the center of our solar system, becomes a scene of cosmic destruction. But even as it dies, the sun creates new things. As the sun loses its outer layers, it lets out a final burst of energy. This explosion, called a planetary nebula, is a beautiful show of light and color. The building blocks of the sun, created in its core, are scattered throughout space. These leftovers from the sun will eventually help create new stars and planets, continuing the cycle of life in the universe. The sun's death means the end of our solar system, but it's just a small moment in the universe's timeline. Our journey through time continues, taking us deeper into the unknown. Trillions of years go by. The universe gets older. Let's explore what happens when stars stop shining. The bright stars that used to light up the night sky begin to disappear. Huge stars explode as supernovae, leaving behind dense objects called neutron stars or black holes. Smaller stars like our sun end their lives as white dwarfs, slowly cooling down over an unimaginable amount of time. Galaxies, once full of new stars being born, are now filled with the leftovers of dead stars. These stellar graveyards show us that the universe is a cycle. Death and rebirth are always happening in the vastness of space. As we travel further into the future, the universe slowly becomes quiet and still. The universe is changing from a bright, colorful tapestry to a more peaceful, almost ghostly existence. But even in this seemingly empty future, the universe still holds secrets. We're now entering a time that's hard to imagine. Let's talk about zombie galaxies and something called proton decay, the slow fading of matter. We are now quadrillions of years in the future. The universe is incredibly old. Almost all the stuff in the universe is trapped in black holes or spread out as tiny particles. Even protons, the tiny particles that make up atoms, start to break down. This process, called proton decay, is extremely slow, but over vast amounts of time it changes everything. Galaxies are now mostly black holes and the fading remains of stars. We call these zombie galaxies. They are like ghosts of their former selves, slowly disappearing as their very building blocks break down. The universe is becoming a vast, empty place, with only the leftovers of a time long gone. But even though matter seems to be disappearing, the fabric of space and time remains. Our journey through time isn't over yet. As we travel through this seemingly empty universe, a question comes to mind. Could life in any form still exist in this distant future? Could anything survive in a universe where stars have died and matter itself is fading away? Maybe advanced civilizations, those far more advanced than us, have found ways to survive even the death of stars. Imagine civilizations using the power of black holes, or even bending the fabric of space and time itself. Could they have moved beyond their physical bodies, existing as pure energy or information? It's fun to think about the possibilities. Even in its twilight years, the universe might still have hidden pockets of life and intelligence. Our journey through time has taken us beyond what we know, making us imagine life beyond our current understanding. Black holes, once thought to be just cosmic vacuum cleaners, are now the main attraction. These mysterious objects, formed from collapsed stars, aren't forever. They actually disappear over time. They slowly release energy in a process called Hawking radiation. As the universe ages, black holes become the most common thing in existence. And as they disappear, they release huge bursts of energy. These explosions, while rare, are the most powerful events in the universe. They light up the darkness of the distant future with quick but brilliant flashes. The universe, once filled with the light of stars, is now lit by the fading light of black holes. Our journey through time continues, showing us the universe's most amazing events. There's a mysterious force called dark energy that's making the universe expand faster. It plays a big part in the far future. As the universe keeps expanding, dark energy gets stronger. Galaxies are pushed farther away from each other, becoming like lonely islands in the vastness of space. The cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the leftover heat from the Big Bang, is getting fainter and harder to detect. The universe is becoming colder, darker, and emptier. Dark energy is changing the universe, making it more and more spread out and isolated. Our journey through time has taken us to the very edge of what we know about the cosmos. We're reaching the limits of what we know about the universe, so now we're entering the realm of imagination and possibilities. Some scientists believe in the multiverse, an endless number of universes, each with its own unique laws of physics. Maybe our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Maybe new universes are always being born while others are dying out. The multiverse is still just a theory, but it gives us a peek into how vast and strange reality might be. Our journey through time has taken us to the edge of what we know, where our universe meets the endless possibilities of the multiverse. What will happen to the universe in the end? One possibility is called the heat death. As the universe keeps expanding and getting colder, everything will be spread out evenly. No new stars will be born, black holes will stop evaporating, the universe will become completely still, with no more energy to create anything new. But some scientists think the universe might be more dynamic, with cycles of death and rebirth. Maybe our universe will collapse in on itself in a big crunch, only to be reborn in another Big Bang. Or maybe the universe will go through a phase transition, changing the laws of physics as we know them. The ultimate fate of the universe is still a big mystery. Our journey through time has brought us face to face with the unknown, reminding us that the universe is full of surprises. Our journey through time has been incredible and humbling. We've seen stars being born, living their lives and dying. We've explored the mysteries of black holes and dark energy. We've even imagined the possibility of other universes. Seeing the universe like this makes our own existence seem short and precious. The universe is vast and old, and our time on this planet is just a moment in its long history. But this shouldn't make us sad. It should inspire us to make the most of our time here. We can learn, create, love, and leave our mark on the universe, even if it seems small. Our journey through time might be ending, but the story of humanity and our desire to understand the universe is far from over.